What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 1996 Toyota Avalon. It's probably the same from about the 96 to possibly the 2000 or possibly even 2001. But all you have to do pretty much is once you pop the hood, just reach over here. I'm working on the passenger side, so you'll see your windshield wiper fluid cylinder to fill up. Basically, just reach right back here and you're just spinning it pretty much up like that. And once you spin it, you kind of want to wiggle it and it'll come out like this. And all you have to do is just push in and pull out like that, and you'll be able to change out your headlight. You get your new one, plug it back into your power harness, reach back to the opening, kind of want to spin it. It's down, you want to spin it down to lock it back in place. Alright folks, once again, that's how you would change out your headlights on a Toyota Avalon. Thanks. Please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks.